Okay, what's up, guys? This is an update. Here's the interior. Here's the carpet that I bought. I decided to just buy a used one from a friend that I met off TikTok. Cool dude. He sold me all 3 pieces, so I got that from him. And then he actually had these cool seats that at some point they were real posters, OEM seats. This seems to be the only issue with this one, and that is the driver's side, which is normal because it does get all the wear. I do have, I have, because you guys seen it right here. My idea was to kind of install these Miata seats that are in mint condition and anybody wants them. I'm located in Yonkers, New York. I'll sell them to you for a good price, $200. That's the driver, right? No, that's the passenger. Oops. Don't mind my mess. And this is the driver. It just has that little wear right there, and it's just dirty and dusty. $200. Like and subscribe. Sell it to you for $175. But yeah, got this. So the carpet is installed. I have to clean this mess right here so I can install everything, slap the seats in it, and it should be good. If anybody can help me, there's this sensor that I don't know where this goes to. It goes like from there across, and I don't see the plug nowhere here. If anybody knows it, I don't see an empty plug anywhere here. So yeah, and I don't think the driver seat on these cars have a sensor, unless they do. I'm gonna check now. But yeah, so the progress interior is looking like it's should be done by the end of this week. Oh, that's a bumper. Yeah, I don't see no sensors here, but I'm gonna work on getting these seats installed, and most likely after that I just have to install these mirrors. I did clean up the door panels. I'm gonna include this in the video. I want to make sure I clear my mirrors first so I don't have to take the panels on and off. And I'm gonna provide you guys a little small clip as to how I got the rugs and carpets that clean and the door panels, and the method I use, because I refuse to have to pay somebody to do something that could be done myself. Okay guys, so this is how I got them. Some of this from the dollar store. I'm gonna soak this up, leave it for a while. This is just after a few. As you can tell right there, it's still wet. I'm gonna get the vacuum. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and then in the morning I'm gonna vacuum it. So yeah, so I guess guys, there's an update of the 280Z. Here's my 280ZX update, correction. This is my 280Z. This bad boy is ready, but I want to finish this one so my dad could drive this one, which is stock, completely stock, and then I'll drive this one around and tune it while I drive.